the stump loose. Oh God, he's been fighting with this thing for 2 days. Job.
Been working at it long enough.
2 days. Goddamn thing. It's an oak tree.
Debating on either digging a hole deeper to put it down.
I'd bury it.
Yeah. And here we are the next day. I'll clean the mats off. That's where the stump was. Got that all rolled out. Those we're going to use in a stone wall. So we use lots of rocks around here, so we'll use those for something. But yep, now we'll be able to take the manure pile and just toss that without having to deal with ramming into a stump anywhere along the line here. Definitely makes life a whole lot easier. Nice to have that over with, because it's been a couple of years of just running into that, and as the pile comes forward you don't notice it, and then you run into it and it just wails the heck out of the loader arms. One more project down. See you later, stump.